নমস্কাৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আলোচনা কৰিম প্ৰিপজিশ্যন সম্পৰ্কে HSLC এক্সামত যিবিলাক প্ৰিপজিশ্যন আহিছিল 1998 চনৰ পৰা 2000 চনলৈকে 2020 চনলৈকে সেইবিলাক আলোচনা কৰিম ডু নট বুষ্ট অফ ইয়ৰ ৱেলথ দ্য lame man lived by begging he often suffers from illness I bought this pen for 5 rupees shoes are made of leather. The student was sure of success. I warned him against driving so fast. The blind man lives by begging, always beware of false friend. A greedy man hankers after money. He sent the letter by hand. The tiger lives on flesh. The ship was found for India. The ship was bound for India. Virtue consists in speaking the truth. I was amazed at his conduct. She is gifted with a sweet voice. I can't agree to your proposal. I have great reward for my teachers. I am satisfied with your work. The boy was charged with stealing. You should be polite to your seniors. I have a distance for pop music. I have a distaste for pop music. Gandhi was convicted of lying. The lever leaps from hand to mouth. I warned him against driving so fast. এইটো ইয়াৰ আগতেও আহিছিল এনেকুৱা যিবিলাক বাৰে বাৰে আহে সেইবিলাক ভালকৈ চাবা সেইবিলাক হোৱাৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে অলৱেজ beware of false friend great books deal with human problems the teacher was annoyed with me Socrates had no desire for wealth or comfort pay attention to what your teacher says he is satisfied with his job I am indebted to you for your help. Assam is rich in minerals. One should be conscious of one's fault. Man doesn't live by bread alone. There is an aspect to every rule. You should not boast of your wealth. Mr. Sharma presided over the meeting. She prefers tea to cold drink. Nobody is the class could complete with Raju. I can't part with this book. I was surprised at his behavior. He will come back in an hour. The layman lives by begging. Do not run after money. She was tired of waiting for him. The train is bound for Howrah. One should not boast of one's wealth. One should not boast of one's wealth. My sister excels in dancing. That man is devoid of common sense. The film is suitable for children. The girl parted from her parents in tears. Do not boast of your wealth. The ship was bound for India. He goes to school by bus বা যিকোনো যোৱা বাহনৰ আগত বাই বহে তেনেকুৱা বাউণ্ডৰ পিছত পৰ বহে এইবিলাক যিবিলাক সাধাৰণ কথা এইবিলাক মনত ৰাখিবা হি হেজ বিন ছাফাৰিং ফ্ৰম ফিভাৰ এইটোও এটা মনত ৰাখিবলগীয়া কথা প্ৰায় থাকে এনেধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন ছাফাৰিঙৰ পিছত ফ্ৰম হয় ফ্ৰম ফিভাৰ বা বেলেগ বেমাৰ হ'লেও এই ফ্ৰমেই হ'ব আসাম ইজ ৰিচ ইন মিনাৰেলছ এইটো বহুবাৰ আহিছিল I perfect it to cold drinks. এইটোও আগতেও আহিছিল shoes are made of leather এনেধৰণৰ আহি থাকে মেডৰ পিছত অব্যৱহাৰ হয় I can't agree to your proposal the man repented of his past misdeeds she is gifted with a sweet voice এইটো আগতে আহিছিল man doesn't live by bread alone always beware of false friend এই প্ৰশ্নটো বহুবাৰ আহিছিল এনে ধৰণৰ যিবিলাক বাৰে বাৰে আহে সেইবিলাক ভালকৈ চাবা What is the time by your words This is a question from Milton You should provide well for your children He has not yet recovered from his illness His sympathized with me in my sorrow. The old man is hard of hearing. There was a nice of children at play. Her mother is on the town council. The teacher knows his student by name. Babysitters are a boon to parents. I meet him on the street. Please pay attention to your studies. He is an authority on science. The teacher is in full control over the class. Happiness consists in speaking the truth. One should be honest in dealing with Philemon. She is looking for a domestic help. The burden seemed too much for him. Health is preferable to wealth. He is angry with his naughty sister. The cow lives on grass. He lives from hand to mouth. এনে ধৰণৰ বহুবাৰ আহিছিল He is appointed to the post. She is junior to me by 3 years. We go to school by bus. I am senior to your sister. The president presided over the meeting. She excels in dancing. এই আটাইকেইটা 2017 যিকেইটা আছিল এই আটাইকেইটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এইবিলাক আগৰ কোৱেশ্চনৰ পৰাই দিছিল He always runs after money. Floor is made from wheat. Write your answer in black ink. The cow lives on grass. The train is bound for Delhi. Assam is rich in minerals. I meet him on the street. Happiness consists in speaking the truth. They are satisfied with your work. Man doesn't live by bread alone. Rita excels in dancing. He is looking for a domestic help. আৰু কেইটামান লগতে দিয়া হৈছে I am fond of sweets. The answer to the question is easy. এনে ধৰণৰ যিবিলাক আছে স্ক্ৰীনত দেখুৱাই আছোঁ এইবিলাক তোমালোকে চাই ল'বা The patient is now free from danger. Please call in a doctor. He retired from service. তো ভিডিওটো এইখিনিয়ে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখিবা লগতে লাইক কমেণ্ট আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা পৰৱৰ্তী নেক্সট ইংলিছ গ্ৰামাৰৰ বেলেগ বিষয় লৈ আলোচনা কৰিম ধন্যবাদ